They'll test it, anything you see. Test it, post a video every single week. Healthy and unhealthy, just for you and me. Test it, anything you see.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new Test It video. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Daniel.
And today we're going to be making a Margherita Pizza. So first you're going to add 3 cups of flour into a stand mixer with dough hook. You can add a pinch of salt. Then you're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Let's measure that. So let's do about 2 tablespoons. And we're also going to add 1 packet of instant dry yeast. Now we're going to mix a little bit.
So now we're gonna add 1.5 cups of water heated at 110 degrees Fahrenheit to the mixer while it's mixing.
Okay, so we're just gonna let that mix for a bit and enjoy the time lapse. So our dough is a little sticky, so we are going to add flour 1 tablespoon at a time until it gets less sticky. If you have the opposite problem where your dough is too dry, add water 1 tablespoon at a time. Make sure the water is also at 110 degrees when you add. So now that our dough is the perfect consistency,
Sticky, but not too sticky.
we're going to take it out of the mixer's bowl. And we're going to put it on a lightly floured surface, and we're going to knead it a little bit.
So now we've kneaded the dough into a firm ball.
We're going to put it in a large, lightly greased bowl, and the grease we're using, well, what we're greasing it with, is olive oil. So now that we put it in the large bowl, what's going to happen is we're going to cover it with plastic stuff saran wrap and let it sit in a dark area for about an hour. And it doesn't have to be like super dark, but don't put it like right next to the window.
So now that our dough has rested for about an hour, it should be double its size, and we're gonna cut it into 2 halves.
So you can either make a pizza with each half, or what you can do is wrap one of the halves in foil and put it in the freezer. It should stay like still good to use for about a month in the freezer. Or if you just want to wait like a day or 2, you can wrap in foil and put it in the fridge. Now we're going to make our pizza.
Okay, let's start eating.
Ready? Well, we know what ingredients are going on my shopping list every time.
Yeah, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, why would you even try to buy pizza, like, to go, when you can just do this?
This is so good.
Yeah. And you can do any flavor you want.
Actually, this is amazing.
You really need to try this.
Yeah.
Especially as quarantine, it'd be a nice thing.
Yeah. Because then you have no risk or anything too. So, this is amazing. I actually love this. Okay, well, I was going to share it with my parents, and they're not getting any. It's going right in here, right in my stomach.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.